Ćao dragi moje, dobrodošli na moj kanal i u moj novi video. Za danas sam vam pripremila jedan jesenji make-up look. Radit ćemo malo oči i fokus će biti na njima. Također ćemo koristiti neke brownkaste jesenje, onako žuto-naranđaste nijanse. Zapravo u ovom videu želim da koristim paleticu od Too Faced-a, Hot Buttered Rum. Ona izgleda ovako. Sama paleta jeste zaista predivna, evo ovako izgledaju nijanse i želim da je koristimo. Mislim da je ovo prava jedna divna jesenja paleta i eto malo da se igramo sa šminkom. Ja ću vam pustiti snimak kako se ja šminkam, tako da uživajte uz njega i uz muziku u pozadini, a nakon toga želim da vam prenesem neke svoje utiske o ovoj paletici. Ostanite sa mnom do kraja videa.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. It's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. No, we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Dragi moji, nadam se da vam se dopao ovaj ubrzani snimak sa muzikom gde ste mogli da vidite zapravo kako sam se ja našminkala i došla do ovog izgleda. Ono što želim je da vam prenesem neke svoje utiske o ovoj miloj paletici. paleta mi se jako dopada. Ne trusi se, što je jako dobro, ali jeste jako pigmentovana. Sve nijanse su odlične. Ova koju vidite je odlična tipa za neko setovanje kapka, dok je ovo neka divna highlight nijansa. Može se čak koristiti kao neki highlighter. Nisam probala u te svrhe, ali mogla bih, što da ne. Da zasijemo malo jače. Hajde. Jako je lepa, suptilna, kao što sam rekla, senki se uopšte ne trusi, niti se prosto vidi neki poseban trag da sam koristila ove senke. Sve nijanse su divne, znači ovdje imamo jednu divnu baznu mat nijansu, a zatim iznad nje i shimmer brownkastu nijansu, predivne su. I imamo ovu divnu butter rum nijansicu koja je kao neka kaki boja, nešto tako, ne znam, nije ni žuto, ni naranđasto, ni brown, nešto između. Jedna divna bakarna crvena boja i imamo ispod dve šimeraste. Ovo je shimmer brown koja je prilično intenzivna i jaka i sa njom morate onako biti pažljivi. I ovo je također neka bronzana nijansa. Nijanse su fenomenalne, baš su onako prave jesenje i podsjećaju me na jesen, tako da nisam stavljala eyeliner jer mislim da su senke dovoljno jake i zaista sam zadovoljna ovom paletom. Mislim da je jedan divan izbor, pogotovo je mini paletica pa je onako pristupačniji od standardnih Too Faced paleta. Ja ne znam da li nje ima u prodaji u Sephori, ako ima bacite pogled. Meni je ovo stiglo zapravo od Anete i baš sam se onako zaljubila u ovu paletu. Nadam se da vam se dopao moj video i ovaj način snimanja i moja nova pozadina. Želim da čujem vaš feedback dole u komentarima. Ako vam se dopao video, obavezno ga lajkujte, pretplatite se na moj kanal i zapratite me na mom Instagram profilu. Link ću vam ostaviti dole u opisu videa. Hvala puno što ste gledali ovaj video. Nadam se da ste uživali, da vam je bilo korisno, a mi se vidimo uskoro. Ljubim vas!